Good day, everyone, and today you're welcome to Central Craft Channel. In some few minutes, what I'm gonna be doing today, I want to show you how to achieve your reusable medical face masks in view of the COVID-19 that is going on worldwide right now, and this has become a necessity. Most hospitals are run short of the face masks, and even in Nigeria it's so expensive and you can't continue using just one. So if you have a pillowcase or just real cotton material, anything at home, you can just use it, pick it, and we're going to do this together in just some few minutes. Achieving this is so simple, as easy as A and B and C. Even if you've not done fashion before, just follow this step. Take these measurements by the side of your hair. You know, the mask is going to be this way. So by the side of your hair downwards, you jump like this. So I have 4 inches for that. Then by this side of your nose, also from the tip of your nose downwards. So I have 6 inches, as you can see. So you're going to go like half inch away from your hair all the way to the other side. So I just go half inch away from the hair all the way to the other side like this. So let me check what I have there. So I have something like 9.5 inches or 10 inches. So I'll be using 10 inches. So just take these measurements and we go to the cutting table and cut it out. Just like I told you, I'm using an old pillowcase because it's made of cotton. So use whatever cotton material you have at home. Remember, we measured across the nose to be 10 inches. This is on fold. That will be 5 inches. 5 inches, you folded into 5 inches. So I'm just taking the 5 inches like this. So, and you remember the point from the nose downward to the jaw. I said I'll be using 6 inches. 6 inches. So let me still take the 5 inches across that broad. So the side of the hair, you know, we measured 4. I said I'll be using 4. So it's so easy. So right now, what we just need to do is to connect this. If you have a ruler, you could use a ruler. I don't want it to sound like a fashion stuff. That's why I don't want to be using all fashion tools, so that the layman can just use it. Even if you are not into fashion, just use your hand to straighten, or any ruler you have. So you can just use from these 4 inches points, you connect to these 6 inches, just like you curve it anyhow. You don't need any ruler, you don't need any fashion ruler. Just curve it like so. Just see. So, and after that, you come to this point, to these lower parts. You just try to do a curve, just like, let's curve it like so. And this part also, you try to do a curve. So with this, we are good to go. You just cut out. Remember, we are going to be using 4 pieces. So I'll just fold like this, so that I'll cut the 4 at once. I'll not start cutting and cutting again. So I ought to do that before just cutting that part. So I'll just do that right now. So we have it out like so. We have 4 pieces right now. So you still cut this other part that is trying to stay together. So we have 4 pieces. With these 4 pieces, we just go to the machine. We stitch this part on 1/4 inch. And I've told you, if you're not into fashion, you can do it. Just take your hand needle, stitch this part on 1/4 inch, stitch this part on 1/4 inch, and we just put our elastic and we're done. So just stitch on 1/4 inch like so. So you repeat same for the other side, for the other 2 pieces. So we have the 2 pieces right now. You know, the 4 pieces, you stitch in the middle. So you make sure that the right side of one, it's facing the right side of the other like this. It's so easy. Then you grab your elastic. In case you don't have elastic, you can use rope. And it's good to use tiny elastic. This 1/2 inch elastic, I cut it into 2 to have this 1/4 inch elastic. So I'm just using 6 inches length. You can use 5 or 6 or 7 if you want it to be more free. So what I'll just do is that I'll take it to this edge, I'll pin it down like this, It's so easy. So I'll go away half inch away because I'll be sewing on half inch round. So I'll go half inch away like this. Then I'll stitch. I'll pin down, then I'll take it like this. You see how I'm doing it? This elastic must not be out. I'll still do that same half inch and I'll pin. Then I'll repeat it for this other side. So you affix the elastic like this and you bring them inward like this. You can see you have to open press this joining by the center for both sides. You open press it like this and it's cool. So we're almost done. So what we do right now is just like, can you see how I've done it? You just stitch on this half inch round, half inch around. We stitch half inch around, half inch around, and when we get somewhere here, we're going to leave 2 inches or 2.5 inches or 3 inches to turn it in out. So then we continue stitching. So right now I've pinned down my elastic and look at it, I'm pushing the elastic inside. The one I'm starting with here, I'm just going to stitch it down just like so. So this is the bottom. I'm going to leave 2 inches space so that I'll be able to turn it in out. As you can see, your nose guard is ready. I'm going to give it a good press. Then I'm going to top stitch such that it secures the elastic and it also closes this place. But let me give it a good press and I'll top stitch and it's cool. You can top stitch to make it firm just on half inch like this. Then you secure this. So I've given it a good press and I'll just wear it and you see it's cool and nice. Yeah. So with this, you see the max is ready. It's pretty cool and just so easy. So you just wear it like this. And you see it covers the nose, the mouth, and it's really, really good. So I just did this from my old pillowcase. Any cotton you have at home, you can just make use of it. This is all about a necessity now in saving lives, saving our lives. So try to do it, try it out, and comment in the comment section. And in case you're not aware, we'll be having a live discussion tomorrow, myself and my husband, with all of you, our subscribers, on our other channels, Cetrus Blend. It's for those that are really interested. We're going to be talking about this coronavirus, the way out. We're going to be discussing lots and lots of things. So just get connected. 1 GMT is the time on Wednesday on Cetrus Blend. We're going to be discussing about this coronavirus, the pandemic, the global pandemic, how is it, the way out, the do's, the don'ts, and what can really help. You can also follow us on our online school. Get registered to www.centralfashionschool.com or contact us on the numbers showing below. And you may like to watch this video or this.